Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and I am very happy to have you here. I want to welcome you to Arbitrage Hero Academy. To get most out of this course, please watch this video till the end so you know what to expect and so you know what you need to do during the course. The course is organized as pre-recorded videos which you can watch at any time. I have seen many courses where they have lots of videos, very long videos. I personally don't like those courses, and you will find that all my videos are very short, very precise, and will provide you with the exact steps how you can do certain things to get to the next step. What I'm trying to do here is just to give you the exact steps to achieve success with Amazon business. Also, you should have access to Facebook group. I will provide all the links below this video. Please join the Facebook group where you will be able to ask questions. If you don't want to ask your question in the group, you can always send a private message to me and we can discuss your question privately. And finally, I will provide you with a link to a shared spreadsheet. So every week you can put your questions in that spreadsheet. And at the end of the week, I will be shooting a video answering those questions. The main reason for doing that, because with live calls, quite often people can't join. And because of that, I think at this stage, the weekly question and answers videos would be the most suitable for your progress. Also, I will provide you with a checklist with tasks. After each module, there will be a task, so I would like you to complete all of those tasks and please post your progress in the Facebook group. So whether you have just bought something or whether you have created an account, always post in the group because it will help others. And I will also want you to ask, once you see sales, please post those results in the group with screenshots because it will help to motivate others and it will also help me to see that you are making a progress. On this slide, I put some steps for you to get success with this training. First of all, try to avoid any distractions like YouTube videos or getting another shiny object or looking at any other course. For at least 30 days, just put all the time and concentration into that course, and if you do so, I'm sure that you will start getting sales within these 30 days. Second thing, you need to be organized. Try to allocate a specific time when you are going to watch the course. Don't really go through the whole course in one go, because you will be definitely forgetting something. The whole business model is very simple, but you need to do each step at the right time. So please just follow the course and do exactly what is said in the course in the same order as it is said in the course, and then you will be able to succeed. When you get to sourcing, also try to allocate certain days and certain time slots when you are going to do that, because if you do so, then it will become your routine, and this way you will be able to grow your business very quickly. Finally, do the same with preparation of your products. Don't worry about if you don't know what it means at the moment. When time comes, just allocate certain slots of time to prepare your products which you are going to send to Amazon. As I said, the business model is very simple and it is repetitive, and if you follow all the steps in the training, you will see sales and you will get success. I also want you to post results in the group. First of all, it will make you accountable to be able to provide those results. Second thing, you will motivate others to do the same. And they will more likely do work and they will more likely get success as well. And ask questions in the group, send me a message or add your question to the weekly spreadsheet and I will try to answer all the questions. And as our community grows, you will get people to answer your questions as well. Finally, if you see how this course can be improved, please provide me with your feedback, and if you can provide with your case study and testimonial at the end, it would be perfect. I hope that you will enjoy this training, and I'm sure that you will get success with Amazon business. And I believe now is the best time to start Amazon business because, as I said, I believe it is the easiest model to start making money online. And then you can grow from that base, which you are going to build with this training. So without waiting any longer, let's get started. Thank you.